Hey y'all, hey, let's bake some chicken today. First of all, y'all, I did not have all the seasonings that I needed. So my baked chicken did not come out like flavorful. It low-key came out kind of bland. And I'm kind of salty because I seasoned it a lot. But yes, I'm using them kids' kitchen set, okay? Yes, because I don't have no knives, okay? I just moved. I don't have nothing. Shoot. But yeah, that seasoning had me sneezing. But it definitely was not giving what it was supposed to give. And this is why I don't try new stuff, because I know that baked chicken is not my thing. But y'all, these green beans are, look at that. My cousin put me onto these. These are really like very easy if you want to do like a little, there I go having a snack. But y'all, today has been a day. Today has drained me. I have realized that my content has been very crappy, and it's because I'm like rushing to put content out, because it's just like this whole thing where it's like, you gotta post 3 times a day, we have to get our Kylie pits on. And it's just like, I don't know, I kind of low-key feel under the pressure, and I stopped putting out quality content. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna post 3 times a day anymore. I'm gonna just post what I think is nice, like the kind of content that I want to see, because the stuff I've been posting has been garbage, and I have not been wanting to see that. So I know y'all don't want to see it, but bye.